Hi Dushis, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisandy and in this video we are going to make easy macrame boho style earrings. Now for this style, I was inspired by a chandelier, so I'm going to do a white chandelier design topped with golden hair accessories. Now, if you're a regular here on my channel, you may remember this piece of accessory that is relatively close to the one I previously used in this video right here. If you didn't see this one yet, go check it out. This came out bold and beautiful. This next design is a light olive green colored thread. It will be shaped in a pippa knot macrame style with caramel colored beads. Well, guys, this was so much fun. Who said you could not create your own earrings at home and at the same time save some money? Who said that, huh? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was fun and useful for you guys, and also stay tuned for part 2, okay? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and follow your girl on social media. Bye-bye. Ciao.